Hello, welcome to this Urdu lesson about colloquial and essential Urdu verbs. Hello everyone, my name is Sara and on this channel I teach Urdu as a second language. I've been teaching for the last 7 to 8 years and I teach privately on these websites. So today, after a long time, I sat down and wrote a script for you guys and wanted to do something that is useful and something that can really benefit in your Urdu language journey. And I love teaching verbs, so that's why I compiled like 20 to 30 Urdu verbs that are colloquial and used in day-to-day language. I will try to use them in different tenses like future, present simple, past tense. I know these tenses are pretty difficult for a lot of beginner level students. So what I'm going to do is I'll teach you a verb and then I'll show you a picture because visual demonstration or visual vocabulary is quite useful for remembering the verbs later on. And it also makes the lesson entertaining as well. Then after that, I will conjugate it in a specific tense. I know past tense is something you guys are learning and struggling with, so I'll try to create sentences in the past tense as well. So now let's start with the beginning of the day, right? The first thing you do is to wake up. The verb is uthna. Uthna, that is to wake up. Uthna. A lot of times in the beginning of my lesson, I ask my students what did they do in the morning, and they say I woke up at 7 a.m. So the sentence would be मैं 7 बजे उठी. मैं 7 बजे उठी. मैं 7 बजे उठी. After that, you usually search for your slippers or something like that. The verb to search or to find is ढूंढना. 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 मैंने चप्पल ढूंढी. मैंने चप्पल ढूंढी. Then you go to the washroom. The verb to go is jana. Jana, which is to go. And in the past tense, it is quite different because it changes its pronunciation. It starts with ga in the past tense. So मैं bathroom गई. मैं bathroom गई. Bathroom or toilet गई. In Pakistan, we call it bathroom most of the time. मैं bathroom गई. If you're men, you would say मैं bathroom गया. मैं bathroom गया. So obviously you can change and replace the word bathroom with anything. मैं park गया. मैं let's say office गया. Office in Urdu is daftar. Daftar, but usually we just say office. मैं office गया. मैं gym गया. Then you brush your teeth, right? So to brush your teeth is brush करना. Brush करना. Brush करना. मैंने दांत brush किए. मैंने दांत brush किए. मैंने दांत brush किए. Now, if you feel confused about these verbs and how to conjugate them, how to conjugate them in the future, past tense, perfective tenses, you can look at these videos that I've created in the past. And you can also go to the playlist section of this channel. And there I compiled all the tenses. And it will be really beneficial for you to watch those videos before watching this video. Because I'm not going to go in too much detail about the grammar because I've already created like 10 plus videos on the past simple and other tenses. Then you wash your face, right? So to wash clothes, wash your face, wash your body is dhona. Dhona. Dhona is to wash. Dhona. So मैंने मुंह धोया. Muh is mouth. So it means like your face, your tongue, your teeth. So very common sentence. मैंने मुंह धोया. मैंने मुंह धोया. Then a lot of times people take a shower in the morning. To take a shower is either shower lena, which is to take a shower, or you can also say nahana. Nahana is to take a shower or to bath. Shower lena, nahana. मैं सुबह सुबह नहाई. मैं सुबह सुबह नहाई. If you want to change it into a present simple tense, you can also say मैं नहाती हूँ. मैं नहाती हूँ. But just for, practice sake, let's conjugate most of the sentences in the past tense, because most of my students really, really are struggling with past tense. So, and I know you guys might be as well. So I'll try to conjugate most of the sentence in the past simple tense. To take a shower, you usually take off your clothes. To take off your clothes is utarna. To take off anything, basically. उतारना, कपड़े उतारना is to take off your clothes. मैंने कपड़े उतारे. मैंने कपड़े उतारे. Utarna is to lower something down as well, like picking some can from the shelf. So for example, मैंने bag उतारा. Bag is probably in a higher, like in the top of the shelf, and then you are loading it down, and that is also utarna. After the shower, you usually dress up. You put on clothes. To put on or wear clothes is पहनना. मैंने कपड़े पहने. मैंने नए कपड़े पहने. I wore new clothes. मैंने नए कपड़े पहने. कपड़े is clothes. मैंने नए कपड़े पहने. The next verb is तैयार होना. तैयार होना is to get ready. मैं तैयार हो गया. मैं तैयार हो गया. I got ready. Because of the nuanced nature, it's something drastic, like something different, change in transition. That's why most of the time you'll use it as a compound verb. मैं तैयार हो गया for men, and मैं तैयार हो गई for female. मैं तैयार हो गई. Now, after the shower, you usually make food. Breakfast. Breakfast is नाश्ता. मैंने नाश्ता बनाया. मैंने नाश्ता बनाया. आप लोग नाश्ते में क्या खाते हैं? आप लोग नाश्ते में क्या खाते हैं? मैं अंडे बनाती हूँ और मैं अमूमन चाय पीती हूँ. पीना is to drink. पीना. Usually I fry eggs. Fry is तलना. मैंने अंडे तले. मैंने अंडे तले. Ande is plural, so you'll use the a ending in tale, because the verb conjugation depends on the object, number and gender. So मैंने अंडे तले. I ate probably 2 eggs. So मैंने 2 अंडे तले. I would love to know what you guys eat in breakfast, and something that is very special to your country. In Pakistan, on weekend we eat nahari and puri and tarkari. So yummy, really, really delicious. But on the weekday, I eat toast. So in Urdu, that's called toast. मैंने toast सेंके. सेंकना is to toast bread. मैंने toast सेंके. सेंकना is सेंके, because toast is masculine and that is plural, so you'll use सेंके. मैंने toast सेंके. Then you usually sprinkle salt on top of, or pepper on top of eggs, and that is dalna. Dalna is to add, pour, or sprinkle. Here, like you can sprinkle some salt on top. So डाला. मैंने नमक डाला. मैंने नमक डाला. मैंने नमक डाला. नमक is masculine, therefore it's डाला. मैंने नमक डाला. I added salt. You can also say मैंने चाय में शक्कर डाली. मैंने चाय में शक्कर डाली. So शक्कर is feminine, therefore it's डाली. मैंने चाय में शक्कर डाली. I added sugar in my tea. मैंने चाय में शक्कर डाली. A lot of times people are in a hurry and they just put jam or butter on toast, and to apply and to spread is लगाना. लगाना. मैंने jam toast पर लगाया. मैंने jam toast पर लगाया. Jam toast पर on the toast. लगाया. Put. Jam is masculine, therefore it's लगाया. मैंने jam toast पर लगाया. I love to cook and pack food everywhere, so Whenever I go for a walk or like a picnic, I pack lunch. So pack karna is to pack, or khana bandhna. But usually colloquially we just say pack karna. मैंने खाना पैक किया. मैंने खाना पैक किया. Head out and to leave the house is निकलना. मैं 9 बजे घर से निकली. मैं 9 बजे घर से निकली. I left the house. I head out at 9. For a male subject, it will be nikla, because nikalna is an intransitive verb. So मैं 9 बजे घर से निकला. I headed out at 9. Then you sometimes go to the office, or sometimes you go for groceries after office. So if you cook a lot, you usually go for groceries a lot. And sometimes you do that after the office. Kharidari karna or grocery kharidna. Grocery kharidna is to do groceries. मैंने groceries खरीदी. मैंने groceries खरीदी. Another way you can say it is मैंने घर की चीज़ें खरीदी. मैंने घर की चीज़ें खरीदी. A lot of times you'll just say groceries. So that's why I'm using the word groceries. And my aim is to teach you Urdu that is used nowadays in Pakistan or India. So that's why I'm using some English words. I know it offends some people, but that's what I'll do. I'll try to use the words that I actually used. मैंने groceries खरीदी. If you're using a masculine noun, you suppose milk, you'll say मैंने दूध खरीदा. मैंने दूध खरीदा. I bought milk. मैंने दूध खरीदा. Then you come home, which is मैं घर आया. मैं घर आया for male. मैं घर आई for female. आना is the verb. मैं घर आई. मैं घर आया. You usually lock the door when you leave. ताला लगाना is to lock the door. मैंने ताला लगाया. मैंने ताला लगाया. मैंने ताला लगाया. I locked the door. When you come home, you usually open the lock. मैंने ताला खोला. खोलना is to open, and खोला because lock is masculine. मैंने ताला खोला. मैंने ताला खोला. You can also use the English word, which is मैंने lock खोला. मैंने lock खोला. If you drive, you'll say मैं गाड़ी चलाता हूँ. मैं गाड़ी चलाता हूँ. That is I drive. मैं गाड़ी चलाती हूँ if you're female. If you're saying I drove, मैंने गाड़ी चलाई. मैंने गाड़ी चलाई. गाड़ी is feminine, so it will be चलाई. मैंने गाड़ी चलाई. It will be चलाई regardless of the gender of the subject. घुमाना is to turn the key or to turn anything. घुमाना. घुमाना is to turn the keys of the car. मैंने चाबी घुमाई. मैंने चाबी घुमाई. मैंने चाबी घुमाई. चाबी is feminine, so मैंने चाबी घुमाई. So after I cook dinner and I eat dinner, I usually go for a walk. I always walk after my dinner or lunch, or usually breakfast as well. I like to take like 20 to 30-minute walk after every meal. So a light walk, not very strenuous. So walk karna is to walk, but you can also say मैं पैदल चली. मैं पैदल चली. खाने के बाद मैं पैदल चली. After dinner, after food, I walked. Or you can also say मैंने walk की. मैंने walk की. मैंने walk की. आज मैंने 10 मिनट walk की. आज मैंने 10 मिनट walk की. What time of the day do you guys walk? I walk any time of the day because I love walking. I walk in the morning, the afternoon, at night. Any time of the day is good for me. Then I usually watch something. A lot of people after dinner or during dinner, they watch something. देखना is to watch. मैंने movie देखी. मैंने movie देखी. मैंने movie देखी. I watched a movie. मैंने movie देखी. Sometimes people pray. मैंने नमाज पढ़ी. मैंने नमाज पढ़ी. मैंने नमाज पढ़ी. Namaz padna is to pray, but it's very specific to Islam. So you can also say ibadat karna, which is to pray, and it is for every religion. Maine ibadat ki, maine ibadat ki, maine ibadat ki. Then sometimes you read the book before bed. Padna is to read, and it is also to study. Maine kitab padhi, maine kitab padhi. Kitab is feminine, so it's padhi. मैंने किताब पढ़ी, मैंने किताब पढ़ी. Then you sleep. मैं 12 बजे सोई, मैं 12 बजे सोई. I slept at 12. If you're men, you would say मैं 12 बजे सोया, मैं 12 बजे सोया, मैं 12 बजे सोया. आप लोग कितने बजे सोते हैं? I hope that you have learned from this video. If you want to support me because you really like this video, you can become a patron. If you want to get a PDF transcript, Patreon is where you can find the transcripts as well. Have a really nice day, you guys. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.